Welcome to Chesil House. Let me show you inside. When you enter Chesil, you'll be in the reception area. We have the reception desk here where you'll pick up your keys on arrival. If you come with me, using the fob, we'll get through this door. When you get through this door, we have the bin store here and the elevators. Having just come from reception in stair 1, we're now in the courtyard. It's a great place to hang out and sometimes we hold events here. Over here we have the common room and over here we have stair 2. Then over here we have stair 3. When you enter the Chesil House common room, you'll see that we have a pool table over here. If you follow me down here, you'll see that we have a large seating area. This is where we host most of our Res Life events, such as movie nights and games nights. If you come over here, you'll see that we have a postal area. This is assigned by flat, and this is where you pick up your post. If you come with me over here, you'll see that we have the laundry room. The laundry room has 3 washing machines and 3 dryers. When you stay with us at Chesil, you'll have to use your fob to enter your flat. When you enter your room, you'll have to use your key. In the standard room, you have a desk with plenty of storage, you have shelves and a pinboard, as well as a single bed with a bedside table, wardrobe and an ensuite. When you stay with us at Chesil House, you have a large open plan kitchen with plenty of cupboards for storage. It also has plenty of space for food prep so you can all cook at the same time. This carries through into the living area where you have plenty of seating and a large dining room table so you can eat all together. In the studio flat, you have a breakfast bar, which if I was living here, I'd put my TV on. In the kitchen area, we have a combi microwave oven, a fridge with a freezer compartment, cupboards for storage and a hob. Over here we have a desk with drawers and shelving as well as a pinboard. Then moving over to here we have a single bed with a bedside table and an armchair. You also have a cupboard and an ensuite with toilet, shower and sink. In the car park next to the building, you'll locate the bike store. This is a secure place to leave your bikes. Be sure to bring a bike lock. In the bin store, the general waste bins have black lids and recycling have coloured. We hope you found this video helpful and we can't wait to see you at Chesil next year.